Hello everyone, I hope you're all good. You'll have to excuse me, I'm not scripting this in the slightest. Just thought I'd come out for a bit of a fly with this bad boy, the new DJI Avata 2. So I just wanted to tell you a bit about why I've got this really. So I have been flying FPV for 3 years now, mostly manual mode and stuff like that. So you'd be thinking, well okay, you're getting another pre-built DJI drone, but the thing is, this has got an Action 4 camera on the front of it, and if you look at the drone itself, it should fly a lot better than the first one. The centre of gravity looks a lot better, so in where the battery is and stuff, and it's not too top heavy, so it should fly a lot smoother. Haven't really watched anything else online about it yet since the release, because I was out grabbing this today, so we're going to see what that's like. Really, I just want to see what it's like for now flying in manual mode. I'm just going to take off straight away in manual mode with the rates straight out of the box, just to see how it is versus the other one. That's all I want to do really today. I've got no interest in really trying the motion control at the moment. Maybe I will one day, but yeah, hopefully you enjoy this video and I'll show you the footage. Try not to waffle too much while I'm flying, and yeah, have a look at what it's like to grade with the D-Log-M afterwards. Right, let's see what this is like then. I'm going to go for a camera angle of 30 just to start off with. There we go. Ooh. Bit windy today. Well, I say a bit windy, pretty damn windy to be honest. This is pretty nice to fly already without even changing any rates. I'm not going to do anything too crazy. We're on 85% on the battery because updates came through kind of last minute. It's alright. I'll tell you what, that does roll better than the first one. I would expect it to though, looking at the design. Be cool to see what this footage is like to grade as well with D-Log-M on a better camera. Right, let's go up to this tree. Nice. Seems to pull up a bit nicer. I mean, obviously that wasn't like a really good dive or anything, but it seems to pull up. It's getting thrown around a bit by the wind over there, but I'm sure Rocksteady will sort that out. Okay. I'm really liking this so far. Just need to get used to it and maybe change the rates. But although they are pretty good out of the box. Not flying particularly amazing at the moment, bit rusty. Flew maybe 2 weeks ago, FPV that is, at a fly through that I was doing with the Avata 1, but since then I think the weather's been pretty diabolical. I just want to give a shout out to Mark675 on YouTube as well, who is actually spotting. Ooh, that was a bit rough. See that? Yeah, he's spotting and he's operating the camera, and he also drove me here because to be honest, there's a quite a bit of flooding just round the corner, and my little car probably would have struggled a bit. Wow, okay. Yeah, it might take me a little while to get smooth, but yeah, that's really nice. Well, I've got a feeling, yeah, D-Log-M is going to make a big difference on this drone, because whilst the other drones, like the GPS drones, got D-Log-M a while ago, the Avata was stuck with D-Log-M, and it was okay, but I don't know, man, like this camera's probably a lot better. Also, I forgot to mention as well, this is my first time with these goggles of this, you know, I didn't have the goggles too, I mean, so I had the V2s, and that's what I've used the whole time. So this is quite nice to try these out, because I hadn't even tried the 2s. Cool. Also, I want to apologise if the audio is terrible. I haven't got an external mic going into my camera right now, so it's all internal audio. So hopefully it's not terrible. It is definitely nicer to fly. It's just in Accra, I mean, it's just a better drone, I think. I'm going to catch up on some of the other reviews for the big YouTubers when I've edited this, see what they're saying as well. It'd be really cool if you like this video, if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing as well, if you don't mind. First time I've ever said that, it feels a bit greasy. Okay, just go down here a minute. I'm enjoying this drone a lot. Damn that wind. Okay, this is a lot of fun. Yeah, great drone. There's no reason why, you know, with the camera that's on it as well, that it can't be used for work. I mean, I managed to use the other one for it. It's just this one definitely has an improved camera. Maybe it's too big for like really tight space fly-throughs, but then that's where you use like, I don't know, like a Cinelog 20 or whatever. I'm quite looking forward to the fact that there should be an 04 air unit as well to follow. This is what's also held me back from getting another bind and fly right now, because if the 04 is going to come out before the end of the year, then, well, yeah, I kind of don't want the 03 if that's what's going on. Cool, we're on 34% battery, I'm going to bring it in. Switch it into GPS for a soft landing in a minute. Good stuff.
Good.